Stocks on the Dipp. We have SONM, SLGB, GNTA, WGRX, and OGN. SONM down roughly 72% or thereabout. The reverse split that was announced on the 16th of this month took effect today. So, by the way, today is Monday, the 27th of October 2025. Intraday low for SONM, $10.31. Okay, extrapolation on its daily chart is saying that it's going to continue to, it's just going to cycle bearishly or distributively, going all the way towards the 2nd of December. Then after that, there might be an attempt to bounce. Let's see, projections are currently saying 14.65, 15.99, 16.81. Underlying trend is bearish. The price pressure momentums, let's see what they're saying here. Okay, the 10-day moving average is severely bearish. The 21-day moving average is still trending, meaning that positions opened 21 days ago are still in profit. Okay, the fact that the derivatives are still positive indicates that the rate of deceleration or the setting pressure is still somewhat contained, or rather, it hasn't gone that far enough. Hasn't gone that far. Yeah, so it doesn't mean that they're not the pressure's not high. Okay, it's just that so far so good. So far so good. It's still holding up. Yeah, I can see they are decaying further. Yeah, so let's see how things go. We haven't found any fresh news behind this. Well, I guess the skepticism towards the stock. The company may have they were not investors or traders were not swayed by this split. It now has a float of around 7.6 million shares. So we'll see how things go. If they continue to sell the stock, then things it might begin to get interesting to watch the stock. But as things stand right now, let's see now. Let's see what the sort of volumes we are talking about in this session. No, not a lot, not a lot. Yeah, it's just that it's down a huge lot. So we'll see how it goes. The next is SLGB. SLGB down 42.06%. Let's see what we have for SLGB. Okay, just newly minted. Okay, let's look at its 4-hour chart. The extrapolation here. Okay, let's have a look at the 1-minute chart. So 1-hour chart. Okay. Okay, previous projections was as of today, we had 4.67, 5.89, 6.73, 7.24. Yeah, let's have a look at the 2-hour chart. Okay, projections are saying here 7.29, 9.17, 10.32 on the 2-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, what do we have? Yeah, some really downward projections, really downward projections, negative prices, 0.5, 7.29, 9.17, 10.32. Okay, let's have a look at the news. Nothing, no news. Started trading on the 14th of October. Yeah. Let's see the 4-hour chart for SLGB. Nothing, no projections here. Okay. Freshly minted. You just have to be careful with the stock as well. Today, printed an intraday high of $12. It might be. Is it a volatile stock? It looks like a volatile stock. Let's see what the volumes are saying for the stock so far. 7.489 million. SLGB. Do we bother to find out what the float is? SLGB. Okay, float is according to Gemini, nine or roughly 1 million. Quite a small one. Quite a small float. Okay, GNTA. GNTA down 43.63%. As of Friday, had the intraday high for 4.2625. I think it's contracting expansion. Yeah, GNTA contracting expansion of Friday. Yeah, it is. We should see some news here. Yeah, okay. Geneta Sciences drops pre-market after. Yeah, okay. Offering shares. Okay. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract. This contraction will may remain in place up till the 25th of November. Okay, so projections are currently saying $4.36. Before now, we had 4.55, 4.89. Let's see what we had on Friday. Let's see, Geneta Sciences shares more than double on DNA technology platform collaboration with Animosite. Partnered with Animosite to collaborate on its plasmid DNA technology platform. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's they've done some offering which is not unusual, not unusual. But if it comes back, we don't. I mean, you do your due diligence and find out what is unique about this company, and you want to why you want to watch it, and if it pulls back, it looks like it's coming back. You want to see it come as low as I would say maybe $3.03. Intraday. Yeah, 3.03. We have here two 2.82. It's possibly its lowest projection. Let's see what we have here. 2.56. But you want it to even come retrace a lot further, and then see what's on the pipeline in any dates and all those kind of things. Let's see whether we have any indication here as to if there's going to be a bounce. Okay, yeah, the extrapolation here is saying it's going to bounce and hold this strength up till the pre-market session of tomorrow. No guarantee that will be the case. So I would say, yeah, just totally maybe just ignore. If it pulls back sufficiently, just do your due diligence, see whether there's anything, any potential catalysts that could lead to another expansion. You know, WGRX. WGRX down 25.7%. I think it's also a case of contracting Friday's expansion. WGRX. Yeah, it is contracting Friday's expansion. Hasn't been around that long. Okay, let's see what we have. Projections are currently saying 1.6, 1.98, 2.21. Let's see what we have. On as of the 10th of October, we had 1.6, 1.98, 2.21. Okay, the same projections. Okay, let's see. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. The stock is still trending. The 10-day moving average is still trending, but the derivatives are all severely bearish. The 41-day moving average is, the 21-day moving average is not this bearish because, obviously the stock, yeah, 10 days ago, positions open 10 days ago are still good, but the ones open 21 days ago are not in profit. The ones opened 21 days ago were somewhere below here or something like that. Seems, yeah, for some reason they're not in profit. Okay, strange enough. Okay, so what do we have on Friday? What was going on then? Okay, Data Vault partners with Logistic to develop a blockchain-enabled pharmacy chain smart contracts. That was we saw that didn't we see that last week? But in any case, let's see what's driving the stock. Is it a it's a, now a penny stock? What's the Let's see how volatile, if any, if it's volatile at all. Let's see the volumes to the 4.593 million. Let's see how volatile this market is. Okay, let's do some research. WGRX. Okay, chart meal says 33.1. Okay, it doesn't look like a low float stock. No, maybe not a low float stock, but it's a penny stock. It's going to be attracting the attention of market participants. Do we have short interests? Do we need to look at short interest? WGRX. Okay, 10%. Let's see what we have. Okay, you're not shares outstanding, not trying to give us. Okay, let's see what we have for OGN. OGN down 21.67%. Intraday low in this session, $6.8. It did. They might. It seems they had a rock pull. OGN. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till Thursday the 30th. Then after that, it might bounce, and then yeah, after that, it might consolidate this level that it has gone. It may, yeah, it will continue to, it will consolidate the level that it will get to. Yeah, 9.83 is upper projection. No guarantee that that will be the case. That looks like a foregone conclusion. I mean, foregone projection in the interim. Yeah, possibly we'll be considering prices as low as I can't really say, but yeah, if this is anything to go by, it looks like something that is realistic, something that can happen. Lower prices going all the way down to, yeah, the Thursday. We'll be looking at price. I can't really say how low it is, but when it gets there, it's just saying that yeah, it just has to consolidate and contract this negative contraction. Then maybe, if anything, if any catalyst comes up, then it may attempt to um, it may attempt to bounce, but in the interim, there's no there's there it, yeah, there seems to be a bounce, but it's just part of the whole bigger picture of consolidation. Okay, yeah, we have that as well going on. Yeah, I can see the 10-day moving average is also projecting that consolidation as well. So yeah, saying that it's going to, the consolidation might begin from early November. We have November 10th. Yeah, no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Yeah, we could just have a look at the 4-hour chart to see what it's going to give us in the short term. Okay, has had a bounce, but you can see here is saying the same thing as well. A distributive consolidation. Yeah, more lower prices. Yeah, consolidation with a bearish bias. Projections here saying 7.12, 6.67. Okay. Yeah, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.